I built a $2,000 per month income stream from a YouTube channel that doesn't even show my face. No personal brand, no on-camera work. I simply upload AI-generated influencer drama videos, and they work like magic. I'm not the only one. Channels that launched just a year ago have exploded past 100 million views. Because influencer drama compilations earn roughly $3 to $6 per 1,000 views, a channel at 100 million views could have banked between $300,000 and $600,000 without ever showing a face or recording a real voice. Today, I'm breaking down the exact three-step AI-powered system I use. No budget, no team, just strategy. I start by opening ChatGPT and typing the name of the influencer I want to cover. That primes the AI with laser-focused context. Then I ask ChatGPT to dig up the influencer's most controversial, viral, or downright chaotic moments, the stuff people can't help but binge. I specifically request links to Reddit threads, time-stamped tweets, short-form clips, and even gossip blog screenshots. Instantly, I get a living database that hands me both a storyline and the raw footage I'll need in the edit suite. Doing this manually would waste days. With AI, it's minutes. Here are the exact two prompts I use. Just swap the word influencer with your target name and watch the data flood in. With the juicy moments in hand, it's scripting time. I take one dramatic incident and tell ChatGPT to shape it into a documentary-style narrative. Hook, escalation, fallout, lessons. Because the AI already knows the backstory from Reddit and Twitter receipts, the script comes out detailed and emotionally charged. ChatGPT tops out around 1,000 words per request, so instead of one giant ask, I break the job into about 10 segments, one for each viral moment. Each segment becomes a chapter. Stitched together, they create a roughly 5,000-word master script. Perfect for a tight 7-minute voiceover once you trim the fluff and pace it for retention. I drop the exact prompt template for each segment. Replace the token moment with your headline and let the bot do the heavy lifting. Next comes the voiceover, where AI shines again. You can record yourself, but I prefer 11 Labs because its voices sound cinematic. Google 11 Labs, open a free account, paste your script, pick a narrator that matches your channel's vibe, press Generate, and download a studio-quality track in under a minute. You now have an authoritative voiceover that never gets tired and can be tweaked on demand. Time to edit. And this is where most creators overcomplicate things. The mission is simple. Craft a video that hooks with a thumbnail, earns a click-through rate above 7%, and keeps viewers watching for at least 40% of total length. I reopen the ChatGPT doc, click every link, and save the essential clips. CapCut is my editor of choice because it's free, lightweight, and lightning fast. Import the voice track first, then drag each clip above the audio where it belongs. Use the split tool to delete dead space, mute background noise by pulling the volume line down, and tighten every transition until it feels snappy. To heighten emotional spikes, I drop certain segments to black and white anytime the voiceover reveals something shocking. Select the clip, hit adjust, slide saturation to 0. Viewers subconsciously lean in because the screen suddenly feels different. For extra pop, I copy the same clip, mute the duplicate, slap on a mask over the influencer's face, create a compound clip, and animate a subtle zoom with keyframes using the Cubic Ease preset. That micro-movement keeps eyes glued and prevents boredom. If you're learning something new, hit subscribe so you don't miss next week's viral AI hack. Now, let's crank retention higher with on-screen captions. I load the rough cut into Submagic, choose English, click Generate, and preview dozens of kinetic text templates. I tweak font weight, highlight power words in a bold color, and position the captions dead center during explosive revelations. Once the look is dialed, I export the subtitle video and merge it back in CapCut. Result: a hyper-engaging cut that survives mute scrolling and boosts watch time.